Yep, here we are. Temecula Stampede. Got the off-road nights. Yeah, we're gonna get this on film. We got the new street loser. Is that Rat? That's
this
Rat.
Like 20 years ago.
Look at this. Team Dregs, Line X. That's sick.
See this Rat right here.
That's the OG Asult putting it together.
I didn't know. I thought they were still doing the go-kart.
With Boostamonte booth on Cruiser.
Winning by a landslide, and you know you can't hide. This is DEL, not no phony franchise. Winning by a landslide, and you know you can't hide. This is my road to thing, not no phony franchise. Winning by a landslide, and you know you can't hide. Del, impetuous, tempestuous. Del, deep, scuba diver wetsuit. Who's about to get loose, ruin in the trap suit. To the rescue, expedition process to get you all stressed. Step into my office, the call fresh. It's more like a soft breath. If I stop set, I'll probably leave a soft less. Test it, just to see if y'all resting. I'm blessed in the beat, just like if I was the best man. Yo, listen to the public school. Did you get up with into the physics? Yo, I got a cool image. Like Kendrick's my kindred. Now fuck up to my index. Bench press rappers doing sets with my syntax. Ain't nothing new, motherfucker, man, I've been black. Impact, remember Malcolm X for a impact. You play rotation when you make it, then you spit that. That the whole life should've never even been rap. Wanna be gangsta, fool around and get your friend cap. Talking honey, my brother's trying to buy a 10 stack. Man, just call me amphibious. Submerging so deep, yanking curtains on these idiots. Walking around oblivious, more than annoying. Everywhere I turn a black light and destroy it. Time getting tough, gotta stop for unemployment. Walking around the town on waiting pin. Out of posture from 16 blunts, a pint of vodka. Intoxicated, some of your fall invaded with my headphones slamming, playing Iron Maiden. Sleeping in the lobby in the day, man. It's just a real hip hop. No phony franchise, winning by a landslide. And you know you can't hide. No phony franchise, winning by a landslide.
Everything I can do is not look at
Guys.
I got no big deal.
Yeah.